Welcome, class, to a workshop on Coach Joe rules. In this lesson, we will review Coach Joe rule number 5, which states, use meaningful variable names. When working with other developers, selecting a variable name is not always an easy task. There are times when opinions differ. Your company or team should follow agreed-upon standards and naming conventions to assist with the decision process. Here are some common standards. For most languages, a constant should be written in all uppercase letters with an underscore separating each new word. A variable name should be pronounceable. Most languages will write the name in camel case. The first word begins with a lowercase letter. If there are additional words, each new word begins with an uppercase letter. Other languages like Python will write the name in all lowercase letters separated by an underscore. Either way is fine, just consistently use the same standard for the code base. The name cannot start with a number. Avoid the use of special characters unless there is a specific need. Variable names should not be the same as a language keyword, reserved word, or literal. Even if the name is allowed, avoid this type of name. Variable names are case sensitive. These three names do not represent the same value. They are unique. The name can contain several words if it helps reveal the purpose of the value. Just prefer a shorter name over a longer name. The length of a variable name can be very short if used as an iterator, like with a for loop. The letter I is commonly used. A collection variable should be a plural or end with an S. Notice how it reads with a for loop. One weapon from a collection of weapons. Avoid abbreviations and acronyms unless they are easily understood by all developers. When using an approved acronym like URL, treat it like a single word and follow the normal naming convention standards. It helps with readability. Using the Hungarian notation should be avoided. See Coach Joe rule number 21 for more information. Variable names can have a prefix to help indicate the type of value being held. When holding a Boolean value, it is common to see these prefixes. Use a positive conditional like is sleeping over a negative conditional like is not awake. Consider the variable name HP. A true gamer would know this represents hit points, the amount of life force in a player or monster. As an abbreviation, the name is not very descriptive, somewhat ambiguous, and not understandable by all developers. Making the name hit points is more descriptive, but there are different types of hit points. This name is more descriptive, but lengthy. Hit points remaining is better. There is no perfect variable name. Many names will work and opinions will differ. Just remember to follow the agreed-upon standards. You know you're successful when the name clearly describes the purpose and is understandable by most, if not all, developers. Leave a comment down below with your variable name ideas. Look for other helpful Coach Joe videos. Remember, future senior developers, make it work, prove it works, then make it better. Ready? Break!